We are continuing our focus on the fall right now here on Mountain Connections. Autumn is a beautiful time right here in Park City. The colors are looking really nice right now. We hope that you can get out and enjoy the beauty of this season. And we just were speaking about fall trends, and now let's focus on your skin. I spoke with a doctor and a wellness expert, and they have some ideas on how you can transition your skin from warmer to cooler temperatures. Let's take a look.
Fall is here, and it's time to prep the face for cooler days ahead. Here to share their tips for healthy, younger-looking skin are dermatologist Dr. Michelle Henry and beauty and wellness expert Jamie Hess. Thanks for talking with us here on Park City Television.
Thank you for having us.
Dr. Henry, let's start with you. As a dermatologist, what do you recommend most to your patients as the weather changes?
So as the weather changes, I always recommend sticking to a consistent skincare routine, especially now when your skin just needs that extra attention and care. So it doesn't matter whether you're going out for supplies or you're getting ready for a socially distanced gathering or you're just preparing for your next Zoom event. Be smart with your skincare. We know that consistent commitment to smart products leads to beautiful skin. And it doesn't matter your age or your skin type, your environment, your daily routine, and your sun exposure can lead to accelerated aging. So a lot of my patients come in and they're complaining of fine lines, wrinkles, and sunspots. So if I had to pick one ingredient for them, that ingredient is always retinol. And I love retinol because not only is it dermatologist proven for efficacy, but it's also really accessible. So now you can get really high quality, fantastic retinols over the counter, without a prescription at a really great price point.
Yeah, and I got to second that. As a consumer, that's what really piqued my interest, right? So I'm a busy mom on the go. I'm all about routine and things being easy. And I'd heard about retinol, but I think like many consumers, I didn't really know where to turn. So I actually went for a consultation with my own dermatologist, and she recommended that I use Neutrogena's I almost got my words mixed up, rapid wrinkle repair retinol oil. So what I learned about this is that it offers 0.3% of retinol with a superior quality retinoid, and that's going to visibly reduce fine lines in 1 week without a prescription. And I also love, again, as a consumer, that they offer a money back guarantee on Neutrogena.com.
And what is retinol exactly, and how does it work in your skin?
Yeah, so this retinol oil and the regenerating cream are actually two products that I recommend often. And retinol is one of the most powerful ingredients for fighting wrinkles. And this particular line has been studied for a really long time. It's been on the market for 25 years and it has over 100 plus clinical studies. So it is a product you can trust. And the way retinol works is that it stimulates collagen. So in stimulating collagen, it helps to plump the skin. It also regulates the way the skin turns over. So in regulating the way the skin turns over, it helps to cut down on fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to increase the overall skin tone. And when you are looking for a retinol, what you want to look for is something that is fast acting, something that is hydrating, and something that is gentle on the skin.
Yeah, and I'm glad you mentioned that because, again, as a consumer, the way I was told to use it by my dermatologist is to apply it to clean skin at bedtime. And always make sure that you read the label on the back of the package. If you are new to retinol or perhaps you have dry skin, try using it every other day and always, of course, pick a brand like Neutrogena that is gentle enough for everyday use. Easing into any routine is what's going to reap the best results. And I just got to say, as a fitness expert here, that I would be remiss if I didn't also mention when we're talking about routines, it is fall. Let's talk about that whole healthy body routine. Hydration, top of my list of things to do for a healthy body, and also getting outside and getting those 30 minutes of activity in the sunshine every day. Is there anything you would add to that, Dr. Henry?
So I would absolutely add, don't forget your SPF. So we need to wear SPF all of the time, but it is especially critical if you're using a retinol.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Michelle Henry and Jamie Hess, for joining us today and for helping us get our skin ready for fall and then, of course, winter here. They're great reminders, and yes, SPF is essential.
Thanks so much.